Welcome to Knowledge Point. This is part 2 series of VBA to interact with range. In this we will learn from point 6 to 8. Here this combined range program will combine ranges A1, B5 and A5 and give value KPT. Okay, union is used to combine ranges. I will run this program. As you can see that these ranges got KPT value. Now here you can see A1 to E10, between range A1 to E10 and between range D7 to D14. This is CommonRange. This one is CommonRange. So you can find this and do some actions with that CommonRange using Intersect. So this CommonRange program will do that. Now this Intersect VBA will find CommonRange between A3 to E10 and D7 to G14, and after finding will give value, that is $. So just run this. So as you can see CommonRange got $. value. So this is how Intersect works for finding CommonRange. Before jumping into special cells, first, have you ever wondered how to select cells containing formula from a range, or only error values from a range, or only constant value from a range? For this there is feature in Excel. Just select your range, then press F5, then special. Then if you want to get cells having formula, then click this and click OK. After that, in a range, all cells containing formula got selected. So this is one type of special cells. Okay, in Excel we do by using F5 key. Now again we have to select or identify which cells contain constant. Then we can again press F5, then constant. Then from this constant we want only text. So as you can see from this range, these all cells are text. So this is type of special cells. Special cells means cells present in a range containing a special type of data. That data can be text, constant, formula or error. So these are the special cells. So we will learn how to identify this using Excel VBA. Now we will use VBA version of special cells. Now since special cell is properties of range object, hence we have to first write range object, then special cell method will come like this: range A1 dot special cells. Now as you can see, this is special cell. This is special cell contain two types of input, xlCellTypeFormulas and value, and gives output as a range. So first inputs are these are the inputs. If you want to get comments, cells containing comments, then you have to write this text, or you can assign number also, this number. If you want last cell, then you write this, and you can also alternatively you can also assign value. If you want visible cells of particular range, then you can write this, and alternatively 12. These are the first inputs. Depending upon your requirement, you can input your first requirement, and this is not optional, this is compulsory input. Second is optional. These are the values. Okay, suppose in particular range you want to identify formula cells containing formula, then you write this. After that, from that formula cells you want only error cells, so you can, in second input you can write xl errors. Or if you want from that formula cells, if you want only numbers, then you can specify numbers, formula outputting numbers. You can alternatively you can specify value. Now I will execute this one step by step using effect. Then as you can see, this line of code is special cells select xlCellTypeFormulas. So as you can see in this range, current region, this current region is A1 to A15. In this current region, only these selected cells contain formulas. Now from these formula cells, if I want only error values to be selected, then as you can see second input is, then this one is optional. I want only error values to be selected from these formula cells. So one can write 16 or one can write xl errors also. I will write 16, 16, then bring back this to this line of code, then press F8. As you can see, these are the formula, and from formula cells only error values. So this is how second input is used. Now as you can see, this second line of code uses special cell method to give value 10 to blank cells, that is default rate. As you can see here in this red column, these cells, these are blanks. If I execute this line of code by pressing F8, then this blank cell will get filled by 10 value. I am pressing F8. As you can see, these cells got filled by value 10. Now this concept of special cell method is very useful. One can use this concept for data validation and other things also, depending upon user's requirement. It depends upon user's imagination. How can special cell method can be used to meet the requirement. Here, using concept of special cell method, I have written one program. This is text found alert and action. What this program will do is, if in range B2 B15 text is found, then it will alert user and delete that text. Okay, so if I run this using step in approach by pressing F8, here if no cells are found, no text cells are found, then go to exit. Now this line of code, range B2 B15 to here xlCellTypeValues, select value cells from constant only text values. From B2 B15 it will select constant, and from constant it will select only text values. After selecting, it will this cells.count will count number of cells which contain text values. Now this entire line of code test if cells count is greater than 0, that is in some cells text is present, then pop up this message. After executing this line of code by pressing F8, if it is found true, greater than 0, that means text is present, then this will pop up. After pressing OK, now as you can see here, these two cells contain text. So in B2 B15 it will find text value and clear these cells, means it will delete these text values. So after executing this, you can see text value got deleted. Now if I execute this again, you can see nothing is popping up because no text is there. So this is how special cell method can be used in various scenarios. This is very useful and powerful. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then you can subscribe, like, comment or share this video. Thank you.